This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. So last Friday we understood about ledger allocation rules. In that, okay. So one of our colleague is asking like notepads. I will share with you. Okay. Now today after this session, I will explain. I will share with you the documents. Already whatever it is there, let me delete these things. This is the last time I have shared. Fine. Give me a minute. Okay. So ledger allocation rules and accrual schemes. These two topics we learned. Okay. Now I think I have written some pending topics on Friday. I'm going to teach on today. It was not mentioned. No problem. Fine. So let us recap about accounting structure. Important financial dimensions and accounting structure. Last time I told you, I will explain you. I will recap what it is. Financial dimensions. Financial dimensions. Can anyone recap what is the classification of financial dimensions? I have spent a lot of time. How it will be classified? Financial dimensions. First question is, how many financial dimensions available by default in the system?
Zero.
Zero.
Even for AX unit also zero. How many can be created?
Infinite.
Infinite.
So if anyone is asking interview like how many financial dimensions available, don't give answer only zero. People will confuse a lot. Interviewer also may confuse. You can answer like zero, but we can create infinite financial dimensions. Understood? You need to answer this
Yes.
one. How many financial dimensions? Because he himself confused like you don't know anything. How many financial dimensions available in Dynamics AX 2012 or D365 means zero, but can be created infinite. Okay, too much knowledge also dangerous. If interviewer don't know about this one, he will think like you don't know anything. Okay, sometimes
Okay.
I feel the interview because interviewers don't know how to ask questions. Frankly, I'm speaking. I failed interviews because when I'm giving information, whatever he is not able to uh, understand my level of reaching, my level of subject, and he's thinking like you don't know anything. What I have to do? I failed like this also in few interviews, one or two, not more than one or two, because whatever I'm explaining, I'm giving high level inputs which he don't know. He's thinking like, yeah, Satya don't know anything. Okay, that is the reason I'm telling you. If anyone is asking how many financial dimensions are available in Dynamics, means you don't answer like zero available, but we can create n number of financial dimensions. That is infinite number of financial dimensions can be created. Now, what is the class? See, with this question, if you are facing an interview, If this question is there, you need to extend your answers yourself. He will not ask like, what is the classification of financial dimensions? He will never, because interviewer don't know about the classification. Nowhere it was written or document. There is no document at all. What is the classification of financial dimensions? So you need to initiate yourself. You need to speak at least 5 to 10 minutes about financial dimensions. Understood? You need to utilize your time, and you need to enhance. If he is interrupting you, like stop, then you need to stop. Otherwise, you need to explain 5 to 10 minutes about financial dimensions. Can anyone start? Anyone?
Yes, sure. Yes.
Yeah, please proceed.
So
Now,
financial damage.
yeah, please. Yeah,
So as you mentioned, so by default, financial dimension is a zero, but we can create infinite time. Financial dimension we
sorry
can
to interrupt you.
use to.
Sorry to interrupt you. Now, I'm asking question like, how many financial dimensions available, or explain me about financial dimensions. This is my okay. Now you are interview, like you are attending interview. Now tell me. I'm not
Yes.
a faculty here. I'm an interviewer, and you are attending interview. Yes, please.
So financial dimension by default is a zero, but we can create the infinite time. Financial dimension we can use to create the expenses report department wise. So using the ledger and sub ledger. So financial dimension is divided into three parts: operational units, ledger, sub ledger, and custom finance dimension. So operating unit, there are the sub units like a business unit, department, cost center, retail channel, and into the sub master, customer group, vendor group, item group. So in a master and sub-master, there are the 26 to 27 sub-masters available. In a custom dimensions, we can create as per our own requirement. So these are the financial dimension.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So regarding these financial dimensions, because no one will give explanation like this, because there is no documentation kind of explanation like this, because financial dimensions are how to create financial dimensions, it will be explained, but this classification of financial dimensions is my own theoretical knowledge. I mean to say experience. With my experience, I have classified this one is operating units, next one is masters and submasters, and then custom dimensions. So operating units means business unit, department, cost center, value stream, retail channel. Okay, so try to explain accurately. Try to explain accurately. Okay, operating units means it is business unit, department, cost center, value stream, retail channel. Then masters and submasters are there, are around 26, 27 submasters are masters and submasters are there, like customer group, vendor group, item group, bank group, project group. There are so many. Whatever extent you can understand, you can try to explain. All these can be utilized as a financial dimensions, and if it is not exist, we can create our own custom dimensions. For the custom dimensions, the best example, airways, brand, vehicles, these all are not exist. Okay, fine. Okay, now what is this accounting structure, and what is the purpose of accounting structure? What is this accounting structure, purpose of accounting structure? Anyone, please? Explain me about accounting structure.
Accounting structure is like the brain of the this AX365 in a accounting structure is equal to the main account plus financial dimensional. So we can create the main account and then include the financial dimension as per our requirement. This is the uh, uh, accounting structure we can use to create the entity in
Okay, what is the purpose of accounting structure? What is the purpose? So you are telling like main account plus financial dimensions is the accounting structure. But what is the purpose? Why we need to map it?
when we can create the entries or ledgers, so we can map the particular entry to the particular account. So that time, like asset, liabilities, equities, these are the account main account. So we can map the entries to the accounting structure.
Okay, so I have mapped what is the benefit I'm getting.
So, if you create any entries, ledger, like account receivable, payable, any entries you have created, and you can see the particular the entry in a particular account as per the accounting charts. So that's why we have created the accounting structure.
Okay, good attempt, Samagan. But see, the ultimate goal is reports. Ultimate goal is reports. So business unit wise, suppose business units I have created Hyderabad one business unit, Chennai one business unit, or Hyderabad, Warangal one business unit. So I can generate reports based on business unit wise, or I can generate reports by item group wise. If it is item group as a financial dimension I have used, then what is the sales happened for specific item group? In financials, if I want to generate a report, I can generate. Suppose expenses by each department wise. Okay, so this is what is the purpose of accounting structure means ultimately the report, the report. And sorry, actually like brain you can use it, but it is not actually authorized word. This is for my my own word. I'm comparing brain. The reason behind you can understand the effectiveness of the accounting structure. Okay, you can use it, but that is not, that may not be understanding by interviewer. If you are speaking brain, you can use it, but that is very limited. Got it? For your understanding
Uh,
purpose, I have played with brain.
okay.
Okay, this is my own words. Of course, many people, many students, because there are more than 500 people learned from me, so everyone can understand. Majority people, my students, it is spreading my word only. But brain is not a actual word. The it is, we can compare this accounting structure with the brain. That means every transaction in the system, whenever you are posting, every transaction whenever you are posting in the system, it will verify this accounting structure. Like whenever we are doing acting anything as a human being, whether you are speaking, whether you are singing, whether you are crying, whether you are laughing, anything, your brain works. If this brain is not working, you will not actively work. In the same manner, in Dynamics F&O, Dynamics application or AX 2012, accounting structure, based on the accounting structure instructions, the application will progress. And why it is benefit? What is the, see, data entry? Everyone is will explain about the data entry means whenever you are creating a vendor payment, customer payment, vendor invoice, we are mapping financial dimensions. But the purpose is after entering this one, the end result is we are getting reports. We are getting reports. Suppose business unit wise, some report I want to generate, then I can generate business unit wise. So let us understand. So usually I don't prefer the report explanations, but I'm going to show you general ledger. The ultimate goal is the reports. The reports. So here dimension statement. So financial accounting structure means financial dimensions, main account plus financial dimensions. But good attempt by Samadhan. Okay, so I'm appreciating you. Everyone, I'm expecting like that. At least you know to speak. Now look at this one. I'm generating a report by business unit wise. Okay, business unit wise, I'm generating. Click OK. Now it will show you the report. It is completing. Let me map the currency as well. Okay, here I'm selecting currency, accounting currency and reporting currency. Click OK. Look at this one here without business unit. It is showing without business unit. Now, if you scroll down, otherwise, give me a minute. I'm exporting the Excel file. To extract the report. Actually, we can click on next, but it is a problem. Give me a minute. It was not configured properly. Okay, so whenever you are doing, suppose the same report, I will filter here. I'm not able to show it because this is in demo system. It is not 100% is not working sometimes. I will show you two reports so that you can compare. One is without any filter, and another one is by filtering this business unit. General ledger, same report. So here I'm filtering by financial dimension, business unit 001. Ledger account dot business unit. Okay, 001. Click OK. This report is without any financial dimension. Actually, if we go scroll down lights downside, it will show you another one also, but I am not able to do it. Now look at this one, business unit 001. So for business unit 001 specific unit, what are the expenditure? It is showing. Understood? This is for all dimensions. Actually, if you scroll down, it will show you, but because there is a problem in my system, I'm not able to show you properly. So the benefit is, suppose 001, what is the expenditure? For 002, what is the expenditure? For 003, what is the expenditure? Like that we can see. This is business unit wise. Otherwise, business unit and department, that is also possible. Understood? Ultimately, the reports, the benefit is reports. So you can select business unit, main account plus business unit something. Main account plus business unit. And filter by 001, suppose. Okay, click on OK. Then 001 main accounts, it will show you. Understood? In this one, it is without any financial dimensions. It is all. Like this, you can create your own bifurcations of the financial dimensions, whether you want department wise or whether you want like this, we can select. See, suppose main account plus department I'm selecting. Click OK. Then here records to include. Now I can modify the filter because I have selected main account plus department. Now I'm removing this one. I will select department. So let me select the department. If you are not selected, it will show all department wise. Click OK. Click OK. Then main account with department 022, whatever the data is there, that will show you here. Got it? 6000100-022 has some transaction. Only one item. Understood? Actually,
Yes.
scroll down is not working. I'm not able. That is the problem. But is it clear to everyone? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, what is the purpose of accounting structure means? Ultimately, the main
Okay.
advantage is to generate reports, to get reports. Data, and everyone will explain data entry while entering purchase order, while entering like general journal or vendor payment. We are selecting the dimension. That is not a like benefit to me. I'm a top management, I'm a suppose managing director of finance. Then if users are entering that one, what is the benefit I'm getting? Am I right? Data entry operator is entering the data, like accountant or junior accountant entering the data. Then whenever he is entering, I'm a managing director, what is the benefit I'm getting? I will look at that one. Am I right? Suppose CFO of the company. I'm a CFO of the company, chief finance officer. Now data entry operator is entering that data. What is the benefit I'm getting? I'm getting reports. I'm getting the reports. Based on as per our requirement, I can generate reports. Getting my point? Everyone?
Yeah.
So now let me show you the financial dimensions once again. Any questions, please interrupt me if you want. Because financial dimensions, without understanding financial dimensions, you cannot become a finance consultant. You cannot become a finance consultant. without financial dimensions. I mean to say without accounting structure. Without accounting structure. Of course, there are many people accounting structure don't know, they became a financial dimensions. That is different scenario. But my students should be strong. Okay, strong finance consultants. That's what my expectation. Okay, now, so if you go to this chart of accounts, structures, dimensions or structures, configure account structures, there are so many structures are there here. Now, which structure is belongs to this company? How can I know? There are so many structures. This is enterprise level data. There are so many structures are there. Now, which structure is belongs to this company? Can anyone answer?
We can check in the ledger setup.
Exactly. In the ledger form, whatever the financial dimensions are configured, those are whatever financial accounting structures. I'm sorry, what are the accounting structures are configured? Those structures are belongs to this company. Okay, so you can create these structures like this. Now, what is the difference between accounting structure and advanced rule structure? What is the difference between accounting structure and advanced rule structure? Anyone, please? Not only Samadhan, everyone. What is the difference between accounting structure and advanced rule structure? Anyone? Because these questions you are going to face it in interview. It is must. This is straight away because like interview questions are leaked. Now you need to answer. What is the difference between accounting structure versus advanced rule structure? So very few people only practicing and going through my video recording sessions. Anyone, please? What is the difference between accounting structure and advanced rule structure? At least minimum.
More than one financial dimensions includes it called as a advanced rule structure.
Account structure also is the same, am I right? You can map. In accounting structure, how many financial dimensions can be tagged? Up to 10. Okay. Financial dimensions. How many financial dimensions can be tagged in the accounting structure means 10. So many people will answer, if it is more than 10 financial dimensions, then I will use advanced rule structure. No. Up to 10 it will be allowed. Okay. So what is the rule? What is the advanced rule structure functionality means? To minimize number of accounting structures we can use advanced rule structure. What do you mean? Suppose we have created 600,001 to 99999 business unit plus department I have now. Okay, this is my structure. Now I want 610 200. For this I want business unit plus department plus airways. Then what I have to do? This is the structure already. Now I want like this. Then what is the solution? So you need to rejoin Samadhan. So it is network issues. I cannot see. I cannot resolve. Now I want like this. Can anyone guide me? The structure. Suppose I will show you for one. Next show me, explain me by tomorrow, by next month. Then I can change this one to like this. And this one. Next I will write like this. Is it correct? Is it covered?
Yes, it's not overriding.
There is no override. It is fulfilled. Am I right?
Yes.
Now I want one more. This one, business unit plus department plus vehicle. Then what I have to do? Now guide me. Already I have shown you one example. This one by looking into this one, you can copy. Am I right? No. Am I audible to everyone? Please first.
Yes, we are able to hear.
Now I want for this account, along with business unit and department, I want vehicle as a dimension in the system. Then what I have to do? I have explained this one. Same like explain me what I have to do.
Yeah, till the before the GL, we need to we need to create the accounting structure. Then we need to create especially those three dimensions for this particular one, Satya. I'm not
Yeah,
able to see
exactly.
the number
Guide me now.
properly.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah,
Can you guide me now how to do
yeah,
it?
yeah. Just a minute. So 610 300 till okay. Next one till 620349. 620349. Now you have, yeah, 6349. Yeah, that goes next one. Yeah, you need to put it over there. Correct. Yeah.
Is it fine or I need to change this one?
Now you need to change that one. That one. Yeah, 35351. You need to start the 351. 620351. Yeah. Yes.
Understood everyone? Any confusion?
Understood. Yes, Satya.
Okay, now I want one more structure. Brand. Along with business unit plus department, I want brand. like a company name. I'm purchasing from, like I'm purchasing some items. I want brand. Business unit also. I'm sorry, business unit department plus brand. Now guide me.
Yeah. You just afterwards you need to start with give a space over there. See, yeah.
Now tell me modifications. Now tell me modifications. I copy pasted.
Yes. Yeah. Now you need to give the range. We have started with, yeah, that one you give it till 650299. Yeah. Next, in the last one, you need to change the range from 301 650 301. Yes, that's it.
So everyone, are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Okay. Now these many structures we are creating. Okay. There are so many structures we are creating. Now there is one shortcut. I can create this structure. And I can create advanced rule for 610 300. I will map airways. Then it is fulfilling, am I right? On top of this one, I'm adding this. Okay, give me a minute. Whether I have explained this one or not, I don't know. Let me explain in such a way. This is advanced rule. So accounting structure, and I'm defining one. So I can define only one structure, 6000 dot dot 9999. This is accounting structure. Okay. Now I can create one advanced rule. This is for 610 300. This is for account. This is main account plus department, and this is advanced rule for airways. Now I can tag these two each other. So in the accounting structure, this number is there, but whenever it is firing this one, it will come automatically extra airways. And in the same manner, I can create one more structure, vehicle. Then for this, I will map 620 500. And you can tag it. So what it is actually, to be frankly, first I will create airways, and while mapping this one, I will attach the ledger account 610 300. and while attaching this one vehicle, I will map 620350. Like this I can do. I can attach one more advanced rule. It is brand. I can create brand and I can tag this one to this one. And I can attach 650300. So how to do it? Let me show you. Okay, how to do it? Let me show you. Suppose in the application, in this main account, like accounting structure P&L, it is mapped with this 40029999. We have advanced rules. Okay, project is there. Now let me go to, first let me verify financial dimensions. Financial dimensions. What are the dimensions available? Suppose let me verify vehicle is there or not. Suppose vehicle is there, it is active. Vehicle is there, it is active. Now what I am doing, I am doing advanced rule structure. I am creating. Okay, I am creating a new one, vehicle. I am creating over here. So for this, I am adding the structure. I am creating a structure. Advanced rule, this one, vehicle. So I made it mandatory. Now I am activating. Click OK. Now it is activating. It is activating. So it is active now. Okay, vehicle I have created as advanced rule. Now in this accounting structure, I'm adding advanced rule, vehicle. Vehicle as one more structure, advanced rule. In this, while creating, I will tag the main account is whatever it is. I will modify this number because I don't know whether the account is there or not, and I can map vehicle. Okay, let me verify what exactly the main account for repair expenses or travel expenditure, something. Vehicle means it is some travel or repair expenses should be there. Let me go to general ledger, main accounts. I will take the account number, repair expenses. So repair and maintenance 600 200. So for that account I'm mapping 600 200. Okay, so I have tagged. Now it is in the draft mode. I'm activating. I'm clicking on activate. Okay, it is activating. Let it be complete. So what it is, one structure I have created and one advanced rules created, vehicle, and what I did, I have tagged inside advanced rule. While mapping advanced rule, I have mapped 60 200. Okay, now for normal accounts, for accounting structure, give me a minute. It's closing. Just wait. Why it is taking this much time? Now let me show you the impact or the benefit. General ledger, general entries, general journal entries. Okay, if you select general journal, go to lines. Okay, now if it is normal account 61, suppose any account 600, any account, suppose purchase expenses. Okay, then it is asking business unit. I'm selecting business unit. I'm selecting department. I'm selecting cost center. I'm selecting item group. After that, we don't have anything. Am I right? Because in this structure, let it be roaming. Ledger setup, ledger. Okay, here if you go to P&L structure, it is active, and in this one we have mapped business unit, department, cost center, item group. Fine. But if it is advanced rule, in this advanced rule, if it is vehicle, it is 60200, we have extra vehicle. Now let me select, that is 600 200. Okay, now if you select, it will ask you business unit. I'm selecting business unit, department, and cost center, and item group, and then also it is asking vehicle extra. Okay, as of now vehicles I have not created any dimensions, that is the reason it is not showing. So in the financial dimensions I need to map vehicles.
Yeah, Satya, one question here, Satya.
Yeah,
See,
proceed.
now we are giving an additional dimension attaching to a GL, right? Now, is it possible to suppose there are five more when we are creating the account structure, we have given five dimensions, right?
Your voice
If
is
I want
far
to
away.
exclude
Can you come forward and can you speak? Your voice is very far away. It is far. I'm receiving. Yeah.
okay, is it is it okay now?
Yeah, somewhat it is better. Yeah.
Okay, if I want to exclude any one of those the financial dimensions, can I do that in the advanced rule structure?
Question. Can you repeat once again?
See, now we have added additionally more dimension, right?
Yeah.
If I want, can I eliminate or delete any other dimension? Suppose
Eliminate
totally
is
there are
not
5 or
possible.
6.
Elimination is not possible. Adding is only possible.
Okay.
How to eliminate? You are adding extra dimensions. You can add it. Got it?
Yeah, got it, Satya. Thanks.
On top of that, you are adding. Elimination is not possible. because this is on the fly, it is changing, so that is the reason it is coming like this. Okay, so let me modify, let me go back. 6000200. Got it now? Otherwise, you need to create structures like this. You need to create structures, these many structures. Hectic job, am I right? Accounting structures, if you want to create, you can create these many structures and you can attach. Rather than this one, we are creating only one structure and we are adding advanced tool. This is flexible, am I right? Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
This
Yes,
makes sense.
Satyam.
Okay, I'm getting one or two voices. Everyone, are you able to follow me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Satya.
Yes, Satya.
So rather than creating too many structures, we have used advanced rule structure. Instead of creating too many structures, we have created one advanced rule structure. Like this, you can tag here so that it will be easy. It will be easy and minimizing the accounting structures. Minimizing the accounting structures we can use. So and so many people will answer when I'm asking question. Many people will speak like, what is the purpose of accounting advanced rule structure means? This can be added up to 10. So that if it is more than 10, I will use advanced rule structure. This is the answer. 99% consultants will speak. That is wrong. Understood? Everyone. So many people, students who learn from some other faculties, they will speak like, if it is more than 10 dimensions, then I will use 11th dimension. It is not possible to add here. So I can use advanced rule structure. That's what many people will speak. No, it is, even it is now 5, 6. Am I right? But I'm using advanced rule. Why? To minimize the accounting structures. To minimize. Otherwise, I need to create these many structures. Agree?
Yes, Satyam.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the advantage of advanced rule structure means? To minimize the number of accounting structures, we can use advanced rule structure. Otherwise, definitely if it is the 11th dimension you want to use it, we can use advanced rule structure. That is different scenario. In a accounting structure, how many financial dimensions can be added? In this one, if you want to add one more like this, up to 10 only it will allow you. That is, restriction is there. That is fine. But not only that one, it is to minimize the accounting structures, I can use advanced rule structure. Okay. And remember, the difference between these two is, in this one, if you click on edit, if you are adding segment, in this it will show you main account. Main account is possible, it is already there. Okay. Whereas advanced rule structure, in the advanced rule structure, you cannot select main account. Look at this one. If you go to structures, advanced rule structure, in this advanced rule structure, you don't have option to select main account. It is not possible. In this, main account will not be visible. It is not possible. In the advanced rule structure, you cannot select main account. Whereas accounting structure, yes, you can select. In the accounting structure, it is must. Configured account structure, main account is mandatory, it is must. Without accounting structure, without main account, you cannot activate. Suppose you have created one accounting structure. Suppose I'm creating accounting structure 1, and I'm not selecting main account. I'm deleting. I'm not selecting. Here I'm adding segment, suppose only business unit, or suppose business unit, add segment. Main account I have not used, and then suppose department I have added. Main account I have not added. Now if I'm trying to activate, it will not allow you. Means accounting structure, main account is must. Look at this one, it will be dropped once again. It is activating, it will go back to draft. You cannot activate. Whereas advanced tool structure, you cannot select main account at all. That is also one of the major difference. In the advanced tool structure, whenever you are creating new, suppose brand I'm selecting, brand. Now you cannot select main account at all. It is not possible at all. It is not showing here. In this accounting structure, main account is must. In this, main account does not exist. That is the major difference between these two. Understood? So very few people, maybe in out of 100 functional consultants, maybe 5% people only know about this one. I'm telling you frankly, maybe 5% or maybe 1%, 2% only. The difference between advanced tool structure and accounting structure. Whoever knows, whoever learned from me, they know this one. The difference between advanced tool structure and accounting structure is, in the accounting structure, it is must you need to select main account. In the advanced tool structure, you cannot select main account.
Yeah, the primary reason being the advanced rule structure is created in order to assign the financial dimension to one of the GL accounts, right, Satya? That basis
Yeah.
that logic only this has been designed, right?
Yes.
That is
So in
that's
the
why we are not that's why
yes,
we are not able to see that's why we are not able to see the GL account in the advanced rule structure.
exactly right. So in the advanced rule, you cannot select main account. In the accounting structure, it is must you need to select main account, and while tagging these two, you are attaching main accounts. For this advanced rule, you are tagging the main account. Okay, if you explain this one, definitely interviewer will impress you a lot, because no people, I mean to say, no one knows. Very few people only, very few percentage people only know about this logic. Okay, any more questions?
Okay.
Yeah, if nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time. See you all. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.